Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.